Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Satyabhama and today we are going to learn the first lesson of the book Beehive Class 9 English textbook. So the first lesson is the fun they had. So this lesson was written by our Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov written this story. So it is a very small story. So I will just give the introductory part and what you all are going to learn, and only this first page we shall do for today. And tomorrow this page, and day after tomorrow this, and after that this, and the lesson is completed and we all can do this textbook exercises also. So the fun they had is a interesting lesson about two kids, okay, who were Tommy and Margie. So they were not brothers and sisters. Margie was a 11-year-old girl, okay, and this Tommy was 13-year-old. So first of all, tell me how you all are missing your schools. Yeah, I am too missing my school, and it is boring staying in home, and online classes are not so good. So by going school we will have a lot of physical fitness, then our eyes also will be perfect. Alright, because of this online classes I have observed many students and many children who are attending online classes are affecting with eyesight and deafness, because we use headphones for listening for ourselves and not disturbing others. Yeah, that is right, without disturbing others we are using it, but it is affecting us. So we should not use that headphones at all. That will cause the deafness and sight, because we observe our laptop or some electronic gadgets when you have classes. So because of that it is causing the eyesight. So I don't like this online class. I only like the offline class because there is an interaction, communication with the other classmates of our. So this is the lesson about two kids. Okay, in the future, this is not the past or the present, but it is in the future. That is year 2157. So it is of that year. So before 2 to 3 years before, now what we are in the position before that, we did not expect that we will have the online classes, because this corona will come also we don't know. Like that only in the future also we can't expect all the classrooms will be only visual. Means in this lesson the schools of the future is completely virtual. Everything will be on the screen, and the teachers will not be, and there will be mechanical teachers or robotic teachers. And that time now we all are finding books, and we also have answers in our computer screen. But when children are born in that year 2157, if they see some type of book, what will they know? They don't know anything about it. They will be in shock. Will people have books also? Will they read? They don't know, right? Like that this story is also about two people who were shocked to see. But Margie is a girl in which she was 11 years and she hated books and school, because it is a suspense. I will not tell. After this I will be telling you. So before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. Yeah, here is the ideas of the diagram below is the ideas of the school in the future. So first one, learning through computers. This is not shocking, but it is perfect, because now all the students are learning through computers and some electronical gadgets. And next, You will be having virtual classroom. Yeah, here you can see a child and here is a teacher. He is a robotic teacher and everything here is only with electronic gadgets. There is nothing except a board is also not there, and if they want any test books, everything is on the laptop screen or some computer screen. Next, you will have a robotic teacher. So now with lot of josh and with a interest I am teaching you and you can understand it. But when robots teach us, it will be like, hi, this is mechanical robot. Today we are going to lead the lesson, the fun they had. Like that it will be. There is no any emotion about it. So it is very difficult to have a robotic teacher. Next, moving e-text. Moving e-text is nothing but always typing, always sitting front of the laptop only, always doing the works given by the teacher. Okay? Next. In pairs, discuss 3 things that you like the best about your school and 3 things about your school that you would like to change. Write them down. So for my school, the answer would be there, and I also don't know about your schools. So if you are seeing my explanation, so please write it in the description box given and comment it. What is your answer? What you wanted to change and what you like from your school, and I will tell my answer. My answer, the 3 things I like the best in my school is the first thing, we all go for field. We go for camping, the first thing, and the second thing is all the teachers are friendly, and some teachers are strict but still they are very friendly. And the third thing I like is the greenery in my school. I study in ITA Central and there is a lot of greenery there. Next, these are my 3 things about which I like. Then the next one is which I wanted to change. First thing, the cleanliness in my class, and the second thing, I want some cupboards so that we will not carry heavy books every day. And the third thing is the physical fitness. We want more PT, physical education. Next one. Have you ever read words on television or a computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no printed papers, books printed on papers? Would you like such books better? Your answer 100% will be no, because my answer is no. Yes, now we are reading on computer and television because of this pandemic. So imagination is later, but now we are really reading that it is very difficult for people to do that, and eyes will affect a lot, and there will be no physical fitness, and it will cause the deafness to the children, and there will be no interaction and communication with each other children. If all the classes are in the home itself, in the class itself, only the virtual classroom here, if it's like that, there will be no conversation between people and there will be no interaction, there will be no fun at all. And if there are no printed books, it is very difficult for children to read it. But this is about the future, and if we should not get this future, then we should plant more trees and all those, and even saplings. Would you like such books better? No. Your answer will be no or yes. Some people's decisions would be yes also. It is rare, but my answer is no. Because it is very difficult. I already told you it is very difficult to read if there are some words on the screen, and our eyes will affect. So this one still here we have learned. So now only this para we will see. Still here to here. Told him that on the paper. Just there we will stop. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17 May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So, here what is Margie telling? The writer Isaac Asimov is telling that Margie, I have already told you there will be two important children. The main characters of this lesson are Margie and Tommy. They are not brothers and sisters, but they are the child of same class and they are the neighbors. So Margie have written that you all maintain a diary, but that time there are no printed books, there are no one-line books. But where will she write? Yes, the doubt would come for everyone. She will write on the computer screen by typing on a keyboard. That she have headed that 17th May 2157. I told you, right? This is in the year 2157. So she have written on that day, she have we put date, right, like that she put that 17 May 2157 and she have written, "Today Tommy found a real book." Tommy is her neighbor, his neighbor. So Tommy and Margie are best neighbors in the world and they are of same age but 1 year gap between them. Margie was 11 years old and Tommy was 13 years. So she have written in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. Tommy, who was Tommy? Yes, Tommy was the neighbor of Margie. So she headed that 17 May 2157. This date must come for your exam. You should remember it the most. It was a very old book. So now this, how was that book? Its structure is given here. So how can we say it is completely old? First thing, the pages will be very crinkly and they will be torn little that side, this side, and the words will be erased a bit. Okay, and Margie's grandfather once said that he was a little boy. His grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So here who is telling? Yeah, Margie's grandfather. He is telling that when he was a little boy, so there was a time when the papers were printed. So books were printed, stories were printed, everything we are getting, this is also printed. This is not from online, this is also printed. So like that the books also were printed in some years ago when he was a little boy. So still here, if you understood, like and share my channel, and also don't forget to subscribe. And your work, if you're seeing my video, your work is in paste, discuss, and have you ever read a words. This both I want the answer if you are reading my book. And other homework from this, still where I have taught you, you can frame some questions. How many you can, means 2 is the most, and you can frame 2 questions and send in the comment box. Thank you.